Since the advent of oil, Nigeria has experienced three major agricultural-related economic miscarriages, namely oil palm, groundnut, and cocoa. In the midst of these huge economic losses, one company has maintained significant progress across the Nigerian agricultural sector. NIJI Group is a value-driven conglomerate with over 27 years success story of providing critical end-to-end solutions to Nigeria's agricultural sector. The company began operation in March 1991 as a local engineering service startup known as NIJI LUKAS, founded by Kolawole NIJI to ease the difficulty of multinational food processing companies such as Nigerian Breweries, Flour Mill, and Nestle, which at the time faced the challenge of accessing local expertise to handle their basic plant maintenance and facility installation jobs. NIJI LUKAS is a major contributor to the fast food boom in Nigeria and was responsible for the installation of most of the food processing chambers in those outlets. NIJI Group operates several portfolios of investments with its 7 strategic business units known as subsidiaries cutting across farming, food processing, engineering and construction, agribusiness education, hospitality, and information technology. NIJI LUKAS is renowned as one of the leading brands in agricultural machineries and food and agro-processing equipment fabrication, with over 25 patents to match, ranging from NIJI LUKAS flash dryers, NIJI LUKAS stainless graters, NIJI LUKAS pneumatic hydraulic presser, NIJI LUKAS cabinet dryer, NIJI LUKAS hammer mill, NIJI LUKAS bone crusher, NIJI LUKAS smoking kiln, NIJI LUKAS colloid mill, NIJI LUKAS automated gari fryer, complete cassava start processing line, and several others, all having their unique features and market advantages. NIJI Foods was established in 2011 and processes cassava products such as gari, odorless fufu, high-quality cassava flour, and high-quality industrial cassava flour. NIJI Foods currently processes 50 tons of fresh cassava products on a daily basis and will be increasing this production by 100% due to the newly installed fully automated cassava start processing plant that will be taking 50 tons of fresh cassava tubers per day. NIJI Farms also handles the production and sales of high-quality cassava peels. The mission of NIJI Foods is to place international acceptability on African foods. Thus, the company engages modern processing technology and global best practices, which has given NIJI food brands global advantage across Europe, America, and Africa. NIJI Farms provides the raw materials consumed by NIJI Foods processing plants. NIJI Farms is a 4,000-acre cassava farm. The farm is reputed as one of the most organized and mechanized farms in Nigeria, considering its operations from land clearing, land preparation, planting, weed management, harvesting, and transportation. NIJI Tractors was established in 2016 to support farmers to maximize time and productivity. NIJI Tractors shares design and product insights with its Indian partner, Sonalika, to design tractors whose performance is native to Nigerian vegetation. Some of the brand of tractors include D175RX 4-wheel, D175RX 2-wheel, D160RX 2-wheel, D126RX 4-wheel. NIJI Tractors assembles these tractors in semi-knockdown in its tractor assembling plant in Ilero, Oyo State, southwest Nigeria. The NIJI Institute of Sustainable Agriculture (NISA) is the training arm of NIJI Group. NISA is Africa's agribusiness institute with core competence in agripreneurship and prudent investment model development. NISA offers 4 programs for graduates, smallholder farmers, capital investors, and individuals that are in search of basic knowledge in a specific area in agribusiness to enable them start up their business. The programs are Future Enterprise Fellows, Imagine Fellows Program, Global Executive Fellows Program, and a specialized course track. Registration is currently on at www.nisa.ng. Course highlights include farm operations and resource management, agribusiness management, food and agro processing, marketing, clean, renewable, and sustainable energy. NISA is endorsed by leading educational institutions and development organizations around the world. NISA campus is located in the sustainable city, Ilero, Oyo State, with dormitories, guest houses, processing factories, and spacious lecture halls. As part of the future, in addition to the sustainable city, NIJI Group is currently embarking on one major project, AgriCity. AgriCity is a mega agro-industrial park designed with the concept of industrial ecology, also known as shared economy, which combines business and lifestyle together. The city is occupying 10,000 acres of land space. The first phase of this multi-million-dollar investment has begun and has so far secured amazing partnerships. Huawei has signed to provide the power and IT infrastructure for the city. AgriCity contains mega processing factories for varied agricultural produces, farms, agro-produce aggregation center, shopping malls, banks, etc. NIJI Group's clients and partners include International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, Ibadan, Oyo State; International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, Tanzania; Ministry of Agriculture and Natural Resources, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State; Central Agriculture Research Institute, Liberia; Raw Materials Research and Development Council, Maitama, Abuja; Eagleson and Nitro Concept, Isenyi, Oyo State; Aberode Nigeria Limited, Abeokuta, Ogun State; Recrease Agro Processing Limited, Taraba State; International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, DR Congo; Ololo Engineering Limited, Oyo State; Family Life, Ukana, Akwa Ibom State; Tony Farms Limited, Cotton Coffee, Kogi State; Ebonyi State Government; College of Agricultural Sciences, Landmark University, Omuaran, Kwara State; Crowther Merit Investment Limited, Isenyi, Oyo State; Giz Bosch, FMARD, CBN, BOI, IDH, USAID. NIJI Group's commitment is to empower Africa through effective agribusiness. NIJI Group has never kept us in doubt as the forewheel of Africa's agriculture.
My name is I'm the MD CEO of NIJI Group. I started my business almost 28 years ago. So, I did not get loan, I did not get dime from anybody. What I was actually getting then is I was able to get the transport money on how to do from where I can solve a particular problem. So I'm a solution provider. I was able to set up NIJI LUKAS Nig Limited, which is one of the best fabrication company, at least in Nigeria as of today, on post-harvest equipment that will fabricate equipment for local and international level. Then I moved from fabrication to hotel and nightclub. That's an eatery. That was almost like 20 years ago. Then I moved from there to farming, and I started farming food processing at the same time because my company was able to fabricate some of the needed equipment for the food processing. So as I was doing the farming, I was processing. So I was actually turning most of my money back to the business. So if you are focused as a youth, you get to the next level. So I started farming and food processing at the same time. So I started exporting most of the African food to the European market, and I was selling to local market, then selling for some of the industries. So then later I moved into tractor assembly. I moved into school. That's the NIJI School of Sustainable Agriculture. Then my thought now is, okay, what I've been able to gather over the years, I need to teach a lot of people on how to do it. I need to create a lot of employment for people. So that's what brought about the sustainable city and the agri-city. So don't get tired, never be perplexed, just stay focused and you get to your destination. Thank you.